So this is the lateral border of the acromion, this anterolateral angle of the acromion. This is spine of the scapula. This is posterolateral angle of the acromion. And the front, you palpate the coracoid process. So this is coracoid process. Here you can feel the clavicle. So it will be AC joint. And here is the another soft spot from the trapezius. So our first viewing portal is around 2 centimeter inferior and around 1 to 2 centimeter medial, where you can feel a soft spot between infraspinatus and teres minor. So this will be your viewing portal. The lateral portal is around 2 or 3 fingers lateral to the lateralmost border of the acromion. So this will be the lateral portal. This is used for subacromial decompression. Between coracoid and acromion process, just lateral to the coracoid will be the anterior portal here. There is another anterosuperior portal just anterior to the angle of the acromion, which is used as a viewing portal in Bankart repair. Through the trapezius, you can make another portal for the slap repair or rotator cuff repair, which is called Nevasier portal. And there is another portal which is called portal of Wilmington, just behind the posterolateral corner of the acromion. So this is the posterior portal of the Wilmington. So usually these portals are made, and sometimes accessory portal here at the 7 o'clock position or here at 5 o'clock positions are also required. Thank you.